The choice is clear when choosing a jig to complete your next cabinet shelving project. The Milescraft ShelfJig creates professional shelf pin holes in both 1/4 inch or 5mm sizes and is quick, easy, and accurate for both beginners and experts. The clear body of the ShelfJig allows for simple positioning and helps reduce errors, which saves time and money. The 7 centering notches and see-through construction ensure the jig is placed correctly every time you use it. The 7 hardened steel bushings of the ShelfJig are made to last and can create more holes at once compared to other jigs. Using the included 1/4 inch and 5mm indexing pins allows the jig to be repositioned as many times as needed to create a series of holes for any size project. Each hole is spaced 32mm apart and 37mm from the cabinet front or back based on the European cabinet making system, making it compatible with common hardware. By repositioning the removable fence on the ShelfJig, even larger 64mm offsets can be created. Removing the fence altogether allows for the jig to be positioned inside existing cabinets and to create custom spacing. The fence also acts as convenient storage, holding both the 1/4 inch and 5mm drill bits, index pin, and depth stop. The large flat body has ample surface for clamping, allowing the ShelfJig to be positioned and secured anywhere. See your project through to completion with professional quality shelf pin holes using the Milescraft ShelfJig.